Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through the AVPU Scale assessment. So what is an AVPU scale? The Alert, Voice, Pain and Responsive Scale, or the AVPU scale, is a tool used by healthcare professionals and first aid responders to describe the level of consciousness that a particular person has. A stands for alert, which means that the patient is awake. Although even if they are awake and alert, they will likely be dazed and confused, especially if having suffered from an accident or are taking medication. To be classified as alert, their eyes open spontaneously, they can follow commands, and they are aware of their environment. V stands for voice, which means that the patient is conscious enough to respond to verbal stimuli and can respond either through speech, opening their eyes, or moving certain limbs following instructions. P stands for pain, which means that the patient can respond to the sensation of pain. Finally, the U stands for unconscious. This means that the patient isn't conscious and won't respond to anything. Understanding these 4 dimensions can save lives and ensure that you're able to help out in critical situations. It is highly recommended that anyone uses the AVPU scale, whether they are a qualified healthcare professional or not. Here's how to use an AVPU scale. The first step is to fill out the patient information for review, and then record observations under each of the 4 conditions. To find a sample assessment of the AVPU scale, feel free to check out carepatron.com where you can download and access the form for free. You can also access the scale through our platform. Simply filter by community, type in the keywords to complete. You can also access the scale through our platform. Simply filter by community, type in the. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.